Back to another short video, an unboxing one. This is my first unboxing. Unboxing monster trucks. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, Snakebite here. The Dirt Squad Roller, whatever his name is. And I call him Roller. And Doug. So, we're going to open Doug first. Doug, we're opening first. I'm going to open him off of camera. I'm going to open them all off of camera. But you probably don't even want to see me open them off of camera. It is pretty nasty opening right now. I can hear, ooh. We have Doug out of the box. And these are very articulations on them. Not like your normal monster trucks. Very more articulations than the regular ones. Like, let's get into Snakebite so I can show you how it's like, because they don't really have too many articulations on them. So let me get Snakebite out with his rubber car. So this doesn't have any rotation on it. Articulation. This has articulation because it's moving. You probably can't see it on camera, but it is moving. This, just the tires have a little articulation because they just need drive, but these have more articulation than your normal monster trucks that you get in the stores. And to end off the unboxing of the day, it will be Roller. It's Roland. I'm going to call him Roller, though. There's Roller. This moves. The yellow thing moves. And the tail moves. So, it's pretty cool that they made more articulation on these guys than they do on your regular monster trucks. Thank you for watching the unboxing. The video being released on my channel, and it was being released yesterday, the 30th, not tomorrow, the 1st of January. It was on this day when I remembered that I made a mistake.